Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has retraced into the support area, which actually ends at $3,034. So ideally, I have to say, ideally the low is formed in this wave 2 correction. However, it would take a break above resistance to confirm that further. So I need a break above 3,227, which is the 61.8 retracement of the last decline, because I'm counting only 3 waves down as part of an ending diagonal in wave C. So I see this as an ending diagonal pattern. It therefore means the 61.8 retracement needs to be broken to the upside to indicate a low is in. On top of that, it's only a 3-wave move down. So it would seem as if it might need structurally one more low. But ideally, because we're already at the 3,034 level, ideally the low is in, right? So that's the thing. We'll see. I mean, for me, the reaction is too weak to say a low is in, but structurally it needs one more low, but it's already retraced deep into support. It could cope technically with one more low in this structure, in this overall still potentially bullish structure, because the invalidation point is down there at 2,925, 2,930. So that's the 13th of January low. So unless the price breaks below that level, the white count, the bullish count, is still valid. But so far, no upside breakout is confirmed. So what we would need to see is a 5-wave move above 3,227 for a first confirmation a low is in, because that would be too large for an internal wave 4 corrective bounce. And then we want to see a corrective pullback and a breakout, right? So we need a break above the trend line as well, which is part of that wedge pattern that we've been tracking here. And yeah, what would happen? I mean, what happens below 3,034? Again, nothing major unless it's really a decisive break, and we also break below the invalidation point. But then the focus will shift to the yellow scenario, which is the alternative scenario at the moment, which would delay an upside breakout. And the alternative scenario is seen as just a wider B wave. So this B wave presumably bottomed on the 13th of January, but the B wave could easily still be unfolding. That wouldn't be, it wouldn't be unusual or, in any way, because we've only reached pretty much that 50% retracement level so far, and lower is definitely possible. So the overall support area for this B wave ranges all the way down to 2,400. So it still has plenty of room if it needs to. Bitcoin as well in the alternative scenario. But for now, the focus remains on this micro pattern, because we're holding above the invalidation point, because the correction on the 13th of January can be counted complete. Doesn't mean it couldn't extend, it for sure can. But yeah, this is again the area where we're now watching for a low. Yeah, it's another attempt. Price can make another attempt of bottoming here. And this is going to be the focus for today. We're going to watch the microstructure to see if the market can recover. For me, that looks more like a 3-wave move up at the moment. But yeah, promising developments would be a break above resistance. So that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.